Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to fix error 29 in Valorant. Alright, let's begin. First, open the Start menu and search for Services. Scroll down and find the VGC service. Double-click it, change the startup type from manual to automatic, then click Start. Press Apply and OK to save the changes. Next, open the Start menu again, search for CMD, right-click Command Prompt, and select Run as Administrator. Type ipconfig/flush DNS and press Enter, then type netsh winsock reset and press Enter. After that, open Control Panel. Set View by to Large icons and click on Network and Sharing Center. Click your connection, go to Properties, then double-click Internet Protocol version 4. Select Use the following DNS server addresses and enter 1.1.1.1 and 1.0.0.1, then press OK. If the error persists, locate the Riot client, open its file location, copy the address, and allow it through Windows Defender Firewall. Also, add Valorant and its Bootstrap package, ensuring both private and public boxes are checked. Finally, perform a network reset and restart your PC. So that's basically how you can fix error 29 in Valorant. That's it for this video. Thanks.